In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Substack private. If you're looking to create a more exclusive environment for your subscribers, making your Substack private is a fantastic option. This will allow you to control exactly who has access to your content, which can be particularly useful if you're sharing sensitive information or you simply want to limit your audience. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Substack account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile picture. Click on it, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Settings. This action will take you to a page dedicated to adjusting various aspects of your publication. Next, you'll want to scroll down until you reach the Privacy section. This is the area where you can find the option to make your Substack private. Here, you'll see a toggle labeled Private Mode. Simply click on this toggle to enable private mode. By doing so, your Substack will no longer be publicly accessible. Instead, when readers visit your publication's welcome page, they'll encounter a message indicating that it is private. If they wish to gain access, they'll need to request permission by entering their email address. When someone requests access, you'll receive an email notification. To review these requests, navigate to the Subscribers page within your dashboard. Here, you'll have the capability to manage each subscription request individually. You can choose to either approve or deny these requests based on your specific criteria or preferences. It is important to be aware of a few crucial details when your Substack is set to private. While your content won't be searchable, your publication's welcome page may still appear in web searches. This happens because the welcome page is indexed by search engines even when your Substack is private. However, rest assured that your actual posts remain unindexed and cannot be accessed through a search engine. Additionally, keep in mind that any post sent via email to your subscribers can still be forwarded by the recipient, even if your publication is private. Therefore, it's always a good idea to gently remind your subscribers to respect the privacy and exclusivity of your content. By following these steps, you can enjoy the benefits of a more controlled and private Substack environment. This approach is a powerful tool for creating a tailored and intimate connection with your readers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in making your Substack private. Remember, creating a private space for your audience can offer both you and your subscribers an enriched experience, providing a cozy corner of the internet for exclusive interactions.